Esta es la movida. Vamos a seguir secando, cotorrear con la morenilla. Morning. Morning. It's nice car. Your car.
Huh?
Your car very nice.
Thank you.
It's Cadillac, right?
Yeah.
Cadillac. I like a Cadillac.
Yeah, it's decent, yeah.
But it's very expensive.
Huh?
It's very expensive, no?
No,
No?
not really. No.
Oh.
I've had it a couple of years. I haven't had to put any work in there.
Yeah, I like the Cadillac. I have two cars, new one and old. I like to use the old one, this one.
Right?
Yeah, the new one is Cherokee 19.
The Cherokee, which
My
one?
Cherokee.
Oh, Cherokee?
Yeah, it's a black.
Nice.
When I use only the old one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But your car, I like it. I like it Cadillac.
And then too, my daughter, she had the rendezvous.
Oh, same me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, she liked that.
Yeah?
She's a nanny.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's like good with the kids and stuff like that. But, yeah, she has a Sonata now.
Yeah, my car is nice. For me, it's this car.
Yeah.
But I like your car. The Cadillac is very nice for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
And
car.
Jeep Cherokees has always been nice cars.
Yeah.
Always.
But your car is for rich people.
Huh?
Your car is for rich people.
Oh, really? That's funny.
It's funny, right?
I just like because I wanted the SUV, and like I said, I didn't have to pay that much for it, so that's the only reason I got it.
Alright. You live in Elmhurst?
Huh?
You live here in Elmhurst? No. I like Elmhurst.
Yeah, it's alright.
No, the place over there, the metro station, the restaurants, everything. You know, metro station over there. This street is nice. Restaurants.
Oh yeah.
The chairs.
Yeah, they building up over there.
Now it's now tree, right? The tree is in the Christmas tree now in the Elmhurst theater.
Huh?
Elmhurst theater. The Christmas tree now is there, right?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't. I go around that way.
Oh, you're on way.
Right? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Like I don't go through York, like come down York. So yeah, I don't know.
I like Buffalo Wild Wings over there, restaurant.
Huh?
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yeah, Buffalo Wild Wings.
Wings. Yeah, nice people there. Restaurants, everything.
Yeah, it is.
I like a Starbucks over there. A
See,
Starbucks.
I go to this one right here.
Yeah.
The one that's right next to, across from Mariano's.
Mariano, yeah. Mariano's big store.
Yes.
I like it.
I like it too. You know, they cook your food in there.
Yeah, I know everything there.
That's why I like it.
Thank you very much for that.